Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the read aloud function on the Readmio application, meaning that if you read aloud a story you are going to hear sound effects when you get to relevant parts where the text is bold. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the news button down below, which is the first option. Select a reading that you are interested in and click on the read button in the middle of the screen. Start reading it aloud after tapping on this microphone icon at the top. As you can see, my microphone is busy right now since I am in the screen recording mode. But all you have to do is start reading aloud the story, and when you get to parts where the text is bold, you are going to see or hear sound effects. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.